Hello Internet, and today we are doing another revisit with these generic Walmart locks. 4-pin locks, I've stated before, they're actually fairly good beginner locks. The actual brand Walmart markets these as are Hyper Tough. And while the quality control isn't as consistent as Master Lock number 3, they are still perfectly serviceable as beginner locks. The reason I am revisiting these is I am trying to teach myself a new picking method that will help me with different keyways. And it's part of the reason I'm having trouble with that new assortment of locks I've got. The keyway is such as that if I use these wrenches, let me grab one for you. If I use a tension wrench on these, they can slip. And it will cause me to lose all my tension and will move into the way of the picking. And it happens while I'm adjusting tension to manipulate whatever pin I am attempting to open at that point. So, solution. Instead of using bottom of the keyway tension, I should use top of the keyway tension. So I went back to a lock I know I could open to try to learn this. And it's been mixed. Sometimes it works, but the feel is so completely different, and add in the fact that these are slightly more flexible than what I'm used to, and I'm not always getting the locks open in this using this method. But continually to attempt these using bottom of the keyway tension and reaching the point where I've almost got it, but then the tension wrench slits because of that little notch right there. Just slips on that notch, and I lose all my tension and go back to reset. Is quite frankly gotten old, so I'm trying to learn a new skill so I can tackle these and hopefully get them successfully opened. Alright, that is all for now. Subscribe if you like, and have a nice day.